Synod 2023. Spiritual, captivating, realistic, evangelistic, yoke-breaking, and refreshing. Synod 2023 of the Anglican Diocese of Ijebu Southwest is right at our door. The first session of the fifth Synod, titled Turn Your Battles to Crosses, from First Epistle of Peter chapter 2, verses 24 to 25, where the Lord Bishop of the Diocese, the Right Reverend Dr. Babatunde F.R. Ogunbanwo, will be delivering his charge to the community of believers in the diocese and diaspora. This year's Synod will be between Thursday 4th and Sunday 7th May 2023 at Holy Trinity Anglican Church, Ijebu. On Thursday 1st at 3 p.m., there will be Synod opening service. On Friday 5th at 11 a.m., the Lord Bishop will be delivering his charge to the Synod. On Saturday 6th, there will be plenary session of the Synod. On Sunday 7th at 10 a.m. is a Thanksgiving service and closing of the Synod for the year. The host and hostess of this year's Synod are Dr. Abiodun and Mrs. Joyce Shobanjo Ohohen. God will let you into battlefield so you can understand the meaning of victory. This year's Synod, don't miss out. The media ministry, Anglican Diocese of Ijebu Southwest, is the announcer.